Hey, what is going on YouTube? Jay here from MJTech. Today coming with something very tiny, very cool, very useful, and very affordable. So it has pretty much everything that we look forward in a product. But now this thing really reminds me of when I was a kid and that cheap toy just brought me a lot of joy. I know it rhymes, but this is true, guys. Sometimes things don't need to be expensive in order for you to enjoy them or see the value in them. And that's exactly what we have here. This is the Avantek Doorbell kit, or also known as the wireless doorbell. And this is nothing but just a ordinary doorbell. It doesn't have a camera. It is not smart. It is just wireless, waterproof, and it comes with 52 different melodies inside of the chime. So basically you glue this into whatever you're gonna place it at outside. It could be in the front of your door. It could be in your patio fence, which is what I'm gonna do. Here I live in a townhouse, and on the back I have a patio. Some people get confused on the front entrance side, and they come from the back side, which is where the garage and also the patio is. But I have a fence so they can't knock on the sliding door. So for that reason I found this, and I immediately became interested just because it's so inexpensive. It's very useful and it works. This one in particular here has a range of 1,000 feet or 300 meters. That's absolutely insane. And it works very similar to a car fob, key fob, or beeper, whatever you guys call it. It uses even a similar battery, which is the C2032. And then this just plugs into the wall. You click on the little bell here on the button, and that's it. It pairs right up. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Again, you can find this on Amazon right now for only $18.99. So again, very inexpensive. And if you guys follow my channel, I have reviewed many expensive electronics, but I gotta say this one just attracted me a whole bunch. As a matter of fact, if you look into the reviews on Amazon, which is the link that I have provided below, this thing has 5 stars. That's how good it is, guys. And it has over 18,000 reviews. So here we can see the chime, of course, and it has a little speaker right here, which is very loud, by the way. And on the front side, you have an LED light with their icon right here. And on the side, we have a volume dedicated button. And then we have the skippers for the melodies. Again, it comes with 52. I'm not gonna really play all of them. I'm just gonna leave that for you guys to do it once you purchase yours, and let me know what's your favorite. So inside here we have some hardware for installation. I'm gonna be installing this on a wooden fence. And so this is the battery that it came with. I upgraded to the Doorbell brand just because this battery, they are claiming that it will last about 3 years approximately. And by the way, this thing is IP55 certified, so it is somewhat waterproof, so it can sustain like rain and dust. And also it has a memory built in where if the power goes out, it'll memorize the settings that you had them on, especially here with the chime. And so it's not gonna restart everything and then you have to reprogram it. It'll be already programmed even if the power cuts off. So very cool. So anyways, this is the I'm sorry I said C earlier, but it is the CR2032 battery right there. So I replaced the Chinese one here, or the Chinese branded one, with the Doorbell branded one. And so again, here we have the hardware, and then it comes with this little key. Now this key is so that in case you guys have to remove the battery, and let's say you have this installed already on your door or wherever, then you just simply go underneath it and then press on it, and then it comes right off. Let's see, it took me some time before, so there we go. I think this is how you do it. Yep. And so again, you go with the key underneath it, you simply pull it out, and on here you're gonna have access to the battery. And then of course this is also the mount that you're going to be drilling on the wall. So you have to break these 2 little tabs right here, but you also have double adhesive tape inside. I already saw it. It comes here with the manuals, and they are very easy to follow. And this is the double adhesive right here, guys. So if you're gonna have this under, let's say, direct sunlight and bad weather conditions, which is going to be my case. Again, this is going outside in the patio where the fence is, so it's going to be in constant rain, the sunlight and all that. So I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to screw it in, and it'll be a lot better that way. So inside of the box here we have nothing else. So now let's say we just completed the installation, and of course we're going to go outside in a minute to get this thing set up. And by the way, when you get it brand new out of the box, it comes with a little plastic tab. You have to remove that in order for the battery to be connected on here. So here we have, once again, the little LED light. We get the button. You can see that the light goes on. So we got the button right there. And so I'm gonna use here my little battery power bank to get this thing on. So I'm gonna press on here. There we go. And right now it has paired, I think. Let's go ahead and check it out. And that's it, guys. Just simply hook this up to the wall, fence, whatever the case may be, and you have 1,000 feet of range with this little product. If that is not cool, let me know what is, guys. This is something simple that can resolve a lot of issues. That's what I'm trying to say. That's why I'm so excited about this little doorbell. Again, nothing super special. Light just went off. Let's see here. It is not something super special, not something that I would consider high tech, but it's functional. So, you have the rooster, sheep, birdies, and the list goes on. I just have to get this power bank on. It keeps turning off by itself because it's not giving constant power. But let's see here. You guys get the idea. It has 52 of those, and I'm not gonna go through all of them, to be honest with you guys, but the next thing we're gonna do now is go downstairs, install this thing real quick, and then test it out. Alrighty, guys, so excuse the mess here a little. We are now, of course, outside. This is my little patio, and it's gonna go in that corner right there on the other side. And so what I did is that I told you guys that it had two little pre-cut holes here, but I have to admit they are a little bit hard to get them out. So I just drilled the this little mount piece. I drilled it before mounting it on the fence. But now keep in mind that you can also use the double adhesive tape if that makes it a little easier. Alrighty, guys, so here we are now on the other side of the fence. Now you can see my sliding door back there. And so here we have the mounting plate, and we're gonna screw it right below the numbers, which is right about here. And in reality, you don't need a level or anything like that. You can just do it by the eye. It's a lot easier that way. So let's go ahead and get this screwed in. Now that we got this bolted in, all we got to do is just clip it on here. Very nice and simple. There we go, nice and snug. Let's go ahead and test it out. Hopefully you guys can hear this. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I can hear it inside. And we are all set. So if you guys have any questions, you know exactly what to do. Just leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, share, and also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos coming soon. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next one.